What made me decide to go back to school at WTI was not having a career that I wanted to choose for myself. I wanted something that would allow me to continue to grow with my future. When I got here, I was able to meet with some of the instructors and I was able to see some of the students, and to see that dynamic, the relationship that they had really encouraged me and I felt welcomed immediately. I can officially say I am a certified professional coder and I am still currently active in my career. Walking across stage on my graduation day was so unreal to me. I was so excited to know that this was a turning point in my life and all of my hard work is going to show, and my life has changed forever since then. Through hard work and dedication, I have been able to achieve many goals. I would highly recommend WTI. I would really like to thank WTI for all of their support. I have not seen this anywhere else, and I've truly felt like the luckiest person to be able to grow from this whole experience.